Today, I would like to present to you a case study on prevention of wall combustion hybrid diagram. This is on the process invented to efficiently use great integration and improperty of diagrams. Initially, the wall were produced on a 1600-ton die casting machine. However, a scrap rate of 35% was observed, leading to the salvage operation of failed casting through the integration to address these challenges. A new supplier implemented several process changes. One of the key changes was using a large gold chamber in a smaller machine, deviating from the conventional approach. This decision yielded remarkable results. Let's take a look at the outcome. Firstly, the scrap rate was drastically reduced from 35% to less than 5%. This reduction not only saved cost but also improved overall productivity. Additionally, by optimizing the process and improving the fill percentage, the need of integration was completely eliminated. They saved valuable time, resources, and additional expenses. Another noteworthy achievement was the optimization of fill percentage while maintaining the target fill time of 33 milliseconds. The fill percentage was reduced from 76% to 27%. This was made possible by utilizing a large cold chamber with diameter of 5 inch. I am pleased to inform you that these changes resulted in consistent casting volume of 688 cubic centimeter. Meeting the desired specification, overall this optimized process lead to improved efficiency, reduced scrap rate, and increased profitability of the die cast. If we summarize this case study, by continuously evaluating the optimizing the casting process, die caster can achieve remarkable results. This case study demonstrates the importance of considering unconventional approaches, such as using a large cold chamber in a smaller machine to achieve significant improvements. So, thank you for your attention, and I'm open to any question if you have. So you can mail me. Definitely, will cover this question coming. So, thank you. Keep on it.